In historic buildings, whether residential or commercial, original wood windows are an important architectural asset. One might run into problems with old windows with broken ropes, windows that are painted shut, and bulky storms on the outside, but they are worth saving.
Windows like this can be made energy efficient, brought up to current standards, and make function very smooth.
Line Insulating Pane is an innovative and cost-efficient way to save original and valuable wood windows while protecting the investment and updating them to modern standards. An additional tempered glass pane is added to the sash without replacing or altering the original glass. It will protect and preserve the original glass and glazing for the life of the window. Slips were specifically designed to maintain the beauty of original windows and avoid costly replacements that don't match the building or home, or cheap, inconvenient storm windows and window fills that parts can be difficult to find for. Slips have the same effect as insulated glass, and with the energy savings they produce, slips pay for themselves. Unlike conventional storm windows, they are practically invisible. They have a sleek look and feel with a low profile, allowing for no loss in outside viewing space. Full functionality is also retained. For historic properties or older buildings, keeping the original windows makes sense. It is a simple yet powerful way to modernize while retaining the charm and value of vintage windows.